See, question number 5 gives the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. So we have to find the mod of the data. Only mod of the data we should find. So here we know mod formula is L plus F1 minus F0 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, isn't it? So L means lower class of the model class. So model class will be, see, this is highest frequency. So this will be F1, this preceding will be F0 and succeeding will be F2. This is model class. So 4000 is your L. F0 is 4, F1 is 18 and F2 is 9. H is 4000 minus 3000 means 1000, isn't it? So now we'll substitute all the values here. L is 4000, F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4, divide by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 into 1000. Okay, so 4000 plus 18 minus 4 will give 14. This will give 36 minus 9 minus 4 will be minus 13. Okay, so that will be 36 minus 13 will be 23, isn't it? Now this we can simplify. Suppose from 23 it will go. So 23 fours are, we can check, it is 92. So this will go with 23, 92. So 8 will remain, then 23 3s are 69. So 11 will remain. So 11 won't go. So we'll put decimal. Then again 4 we can take. So 14 into 43.4. Now we'll multiply this 43.4 with 14. So 4000 plus. So 14 fours are 56. 42 and 5 47. 60. Okay. After one digit decimal, so after one digit decimal. Now add these ones. So you will get 4607.6. So this is your model run, we can say.